How are you? I've been on staycation this week, and I'm telling you, I'm just sitting here. I'm sure you can hear the sound of the rain hitting the top of this car. It is absolutely wonderful. Just listen. The sound of the rain falling. It's just so relaxing. I'm sitting here wanting to take a nap because this level of relaxation just has that effect on me. Sitting here, listening to the sound of the rain hitting the car. It is absolutely amazing. This week I have really enjoyed my quiet time away from work. I haven't been quiet all week. I want to make it sound like just sit around and do nothing. I've been doing some things, but it's been so refreshing to just woosah, excuse me, and just get back to pacing myself and taking my time and not rushing through what I have to do, just really just enjoying what I do, It's been wonderful. The rain is quieting down. My goodness. I just wanted to share my moment with you. Don't have anything particular to say. Wherever you are, whether it's raining, whether it's shining, whether the weather is inclement, whether you're out enjoying yourself, make it a great day. There's a lot I could say right here, but I'm just going to leave it there and just say make it a great day. You can't always control what happens in your day, but you can always control how you respond to it. And, from that angle, from that perspective, you got to protect your peace. So protect your peace at all costs. So let anybody stress you, grieve you, or pull you out of character. Just know that whatever happens today, you already have on the inside of you what you need to handle it. And that what you have is, as a Christian, the Holy Spirit, the presence of God. He's going to lead you and guide you into all truth. And you have to follow peace. Don't look to ruffle feathers. Don't look to be ornery and just, causing issues and being disagreeable. Don't be that person. Of course you need to speak up when you need to speak up. Of course you need to address what needs to be addressed. I'm not saying be a doormat or be a pushover. I'm just saying, pick the battles, be wise. And that's it. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. See my eyes, how they look? I wanna go to sleep. Oh, this is so heavenly. Anywho, have a great day. Ta-ta.